They're looking at something else. Oh,
no.
look, guys.
They're guarding.
They're attacking the pizza again. Look, oh my god, look. Look, oh my god, look at this guy. They're searching. They're saying, I'm gonna get something from this guys. Okay, pizza, come on. Is there any leftover?
I'm gonna take them out of the air.
Okay, nothing I think.
What are they looking at, bro?
Pizza, man. Oh, look at. They didn't find anything at all. Okay, fighting each other. And that package has pizza. Oh, they got that pizza. Come on. I think the one. I think nothing there. Yeah. This guy finds something. Oh, nothing.
They're finding their new targets.
Like a soldier, they're waiting opportunity to get something to eat. Hold it. Hold it. Oh, suddenly somebody.
Oh, wait. You're in a box.
Alright. Okay, it's fine. There is nothing inside the box, I think. He's trying to get some pizza, but nothing at all. Oh, hold. Oh my god. So, he's gonna try again, I think. His hope is that something inside the box. Okay. Alright. Nothing. Nothing. Still waiting. Alright. I think nothing there. There is no hope. It's going away. And another one is comes. I think they said we're not gonna find anything here. And they talking together. And another one's okay, just going away. They say no more. Okay. One by one they're going away. Alright guys, I think this chapter is ending. Yeah, they didn't find. Oh, the guy. This is the one. He's gonna drink the coffee. Oh, there's the coffee. Oh, nothing. Alright guys, it's nothing. Oh, oh, fighting each other.
Yeah, there was nothing.
Alright guys, nothing happened.